Okay, so this is how you're going to perform this little simulation of a single replacement lab. Okay, this is something that we would have done sort of in class, but obviously that's not going to happen, so we're going to use a simulation. All right, so you're going to go to the link that I gave you, okay, and then you're going to go to Start. It's going to remind you not to click the back button, okay, during the simulation, so they have their own that you need to click, which is fine, okay. The first thing that you're going to do is just use this little magnifying glass to, you might have already done this part, to click into here and explain this to me, okay? And then you're going to go to activity 1, all right? So what you're going to have is 4 beakers of solutions, magnesium nitrate, zinc nitrate, copper 2 nitrate, and silver nitrate, all right? And you're going to choose a metal from here. So like, for example, I'm going to choose magnesium. So then I'm going to have 4 pieces of magnesium that I'm going to put into the solutions, okay? And then I'm going to look for a reaction to happen. So you have to wait a few minutes while it reacts, okay? Then you can remove them and look and see what happened, okay? So I can see the magnesium, nothing happened, okay? But in all the other ones, as you can see, there's like a new solid that has formed. So this is real similar to kind of what we did in the nail lab, okay? So you're going to see a new solid there, indicating that there's a reaction, all right? So if there is a reaction, then what you're going to do is on this table, you're going to go ahead and mark an X into the box wherever there was a reaction, okay? All right, and in this case, whatever, I'm just marking random X's, okay? So you're going to mark an X into the box if there was a reaction, okay? Then you are just going to click on, say, a different metal, put that in, wait and see what happens, etc., and you're going to go through all 4 of them.